To enable Azure SQL Scale Up, start by logging into the Azure portal and navigating to your SQL database resource. Click on the database you want to scale up and select the Overview tab. In the Overview tab, you will see the current pricing tier and the database transaction units or DTUs. DTUs are a measure of the database performance. To scale up, click on the Pricing Tier tab and then click on the Configure button. This will take you to the pricing tier page where you can select the new pricing tier you want to scale up to. You can choose from a range of pricing tiers, including Basic, Standard, Premium, and Business Critical. Each pricing tier has different performance levels and costs. When selecting a new pricing tier, consider the performance requirements of your database, including the number of DTUs, storage, and IOPS. You should also consider the cost and make sure it fits within your budget. Once you have selected the new pricing tier, click on the Apply button to save the changes. The database will then be scaled up to the new pricing tier. During the scale-up process, the database will be unavailable for a short period of time. This is usually around a few minutes. It is recommended to scale up during a maintenance window to minimize downtime and impact to your application. After the database has been scaled up, you can verify the new pricing tier and performance levels by checking the Database Overview tab. Best practices for scaling up Azure SQL include monitoring database performance regularly, using automated scaling, and testing database performance after scaling up. By following these steps, you can easily enable Azure SQL Scale Up and improve the performance of your database. Always monitor your database performance and adjust the pricing tier as needed to ensure optimal performance and cost.